Hello and welcome to ActivTrades Biggest Market Movers. Today I'll be looking at the US dollar against the Singapore dollar. I'll be discussing its key relationship with overall US dollar strength. I'll also be having a look at the key technical levels as we move forward. So the US dollar against the Singapore dollar is a very good barometer of overall US dollar trend strength. What I mean by that is we have a very strong currency like the Singapore dollar, which is currently very strong against the euro, the pound, and also the Aussie and other currencies. And we also have the US dollar, which is also strong against those currencies. But what we've seen is that the US dollar is currently unable to rally against the Singapore dollar, and it's really struggling with the 136 level. And this is quite telling towards the overall strength of the US dollar currency, as we're currently looking at the euro unable to break at the 110 level, and we've got the British pound unable to break the 130, despite overwhelming fundamentals being in the US dollar's favour with the recent high jobs number, and also we've had the Mario Draghi press conference talking down the EU economy, and still we cannot rally. So against the US dollar, Singapore dollar, I think we can try to identify some key breaks, and it may be a sign of strengthening or weakening in the overall US dollar strength. So in front of me now I've got an 8-hour Ekimoto cloud, and we can see we're above the cloud and we've taken out all resistance. But now what we're really lacking is follow through over the crucial 136 area. So what we know is now that if we start to break below the 135.40, we can move towards some very stiff resistance towards the 135. If we do crack the 135, then we can start to see the US dollar against the Singapore dollar start to fall off, and that'll be very telling in the US dollar index, as that may be a key indicator as to the US dollar index starting to retreat a little bit. And also if we do start to break the 136 level, we can start to see the US dollar trend start to accelerate, and we can start to compare the relationship with the US dollar moving forward up against this currency with perhaps the euro starting to break that crucial 110 level, which is it's unable to do at the moment. So this is a very interesting pair to watch, and we're currently sandwiched between the two levels of 136 and 135.40, and it'll be interesting to watch to see which way that this currency starts to break. Thank you very much. This has been ActivTrades Biggest Market Movers.